Hi friends, welcome back. Just because your house is small or you have a small storage space doesn't mean that you can't get organized. With a little creativity and some smart tricks, you can totally transform your space. So if you're looking for staying organized in a small space and that too at zero cost, that's exactly what I'm going to show you right now. So if you're struggling with small storage, let me show you how you can create more space even in the smallest storage areas. With the weather becoming unpredictable everywhere, storing off-season clothes smartly is more important than ever. Folding techniques go a long way in saving a lot of space in your closet. Once the jacket's hoodie is tucked inside in this manner, it stays uniform in shape and can be perfectly stacked in a shelf or put into these paper bags so that you can prevent the dust from accumulating. So in order to make this instant dust-proof storage, you just need 2 paper bags, one to put in the jacket and another one to cover it from the dust. You can either cut out the handles as I'm doing or reattach them a bit lower so that it's easy to grab the bag from a high shelf. Here you go, your bag is ready in less than 2 minutes. So in this manner, you not only create more space on the rod for more items, but you also have a quick access to all the off-season clothes. Labeling them makes it easier to get whenever you need something from them. Let's move on to the next tip. Making optimum use of your closet space. This isn't just about fitting more. It's actually about finding what you need quickly and making even a small closet space feel big and efficient. Long dresses and pants take up more space in closets because they hang lower. This blocks the area underneath. When the dresses hang too low and touch the closet floor, they are most likely to collect dust, get dirty, or even crumple from dragging. Another problem in most closets is piling up clothes. When you try taking out one item, the entire pile tends to collapse. Try these smart folding techniques as they go a long way in saving you vertical space. So after you fold the dress in half vertically, you can drape the folded bottom part over the horizontal bar of a hanger. So when you fold them up and hang like this, there are no wrinkles, no dust, and there is so much space created underneath. Now let's move on to the t-shirts and tops. Pile folding not only saves you space, it keeps things tidy and makes finding clothes super easy. I had made these homemade clothes organizers and I had shown the entire tutorial in my previous video, which I'm linking in the description box below. Most of us have drawers in our house, but we don't realize that they have so much unused space vertically, especially if your drawers are deeper. Let me show you a smart hack to maximize the deep drawer space, and that too for free. You can repurpose small boxes, empty food trays, plastic containers, or also the cookie containers and make a small DIY tray which can be used to double the space without spending a single penny. You can either use a double-sided transparent tape or glue gun in order to fix these compartments inside the bigger tray. As you can see, our trays are ready. Deep drawers often turn into clutter zones because everything just gets tossed in. By creating layers, you use the full depth wisely, keeping things organized. And you never lose the stuff at the bottom because of the sliding trays. Depending on the depth of your drawer, you can either make 2 or 3 layers. Now let's move on to our next tip. Is your seasonal stuff taking up a lot of space in your main closet? You can tuck it under the bed. It's out of sight but easy to grab when needed. By repurposing the zippered bags that we receive from blankets, you can reuse them to store off-season stuff, kids' fancy dress, or other items that you don't need on a daily basis. With this arrangement, you can easily find what you need, and it also makes cleaning under the bed a breeze. No more messy piles or forgotten clutter. The next tip is for those parents who are overwhelmed by the mountain of soft toys that your kid keeps collecting. But before I share the hack, here's a little reminder. It's always better to donate than accumulate. If your child has outgrown some soft toys, pass them on and make space for what they truly love. By using a pillowcase or a cushion cover with a zip, you can create a DIY toy pouch at the head or the foot of the bed. This is easy for kids to access and put away and adds a cozy, playful touch to the bed without spending a single penny. So that's all for today, my dear viewers. I hope you found this video useful, and as you can see, small space does not mean small potential. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any of your own ideas and which one was your favorite of all of them. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye-bye.